Hey everybody, welcome to the garden. I hope you're having a great day. Shout out to the lemon and lime lovers and everybody in between. It's time for the Lemon Garden quarterly report card video. Essentially, I try to do this video every 3 months where I go over the performance of the swing trade service for the quarter. So this will be for Q3 from September to from July to the end of September, and we're going to go over the good things we did, the bad things, the bad things we did, the things that we could have improved on, and what we excelled at. And also, I do want to highlight a couple rooms because we have gotten new members over time, just to make sure that they know exactly what rooms to look at if they're in a service or they're looking to join a service. And I do want to go over a couple other things, announcements that I've made, and just a general overview of what's happened. So starting off with an announcement, I if you are in the Discord, you may have seen on the 8th of this month, I put out a message here that you're seeing on screen, essentially asking for people to be recruiters. Okay, essentially, like, if you want to be part of the Discord and actually become a member to try and grow it, I would greatly appreciate that. One of the reasons why I want to do this is because I do think I've gotten a good handle on how to run the Discord. I do think I can get better. Again, I've been somewhat of a one-man show so far, and we are getting to a size where I want to think about maybe the potential of how big we can get. So I want to try and get good people around me who are better than me at certain things, especially when it comes to like promotion. I'm not very good at that. You might have noticed. But I do want to see the Discord grow because the life outside is getting a lot harder, a lot more expensive, and I do think that people are going to need multiple streams of income to try and keep the same lifestyle they've had, or even think about getting a better one. If I can be, if this Discord can be one of those other streams of income, that's the whole point, right? If we can make more value in someone's life, that's what I want. And I think now is a good time to ask you or anyone who's interested in aiding me with that to reach out to other communities, just see if anyone's interested in joining. I do want it to be as organic as possible, because I have a proven track record now. We have nearly an entire year of trading. That's proven here, that you can see and you can share, and that, hey, I don't promise to be the best trader in the world, but I'm a pretty damn good one that stays very consistent and safe. So that's why I think it's a good time, and I would love to see if anyone's interested in becoming like an official recruiter, and just reaching out to different communities and people. And I know it's hard work, and I know it's not something where we're going to see fast growth. I'd rather see slow, steady growth if it means organic and good people coming into the community who really want to either learn how to trade, or want to inquire on like really the swing trades, be part of the community rather than just like bots funneling in. So that's essentially all I wanted to say about that. Just let me know if you're interested. If not, that's okay. We'll slowly grow. You're seeing it. We're going to continue to grow, and then we'll see how big we can actually get. So let's get into the performance that we've had. So starting with the crypto. So crypto was wrong tab. Sorry about that. Crypto was much slower. In September, right? We actually didn't close anything out in September. We were in plenty of open trades, and you can see we started closing them out, going into Q4, because October, and then this month so far has been absolutely incredible. But September was very, very slow, not much happening because Bitcoin was in that tight consolidation. But going from the beginning, so July, pretty good month, decent enough. We had a couple trades. There wasn't that many. It was only 5 trades. So Solana, FTT, Solana again, Ethereum, and Link, all worked out really well. FTT, funny enough, I mean, seeing where it is now to where it was then, was a great trade. It's great that we weren't in it while this is all happening. And if you are in it, I'm sorry, that's really tough. But this is why, keeping to your plans, looking at levels that you want to target and being disciplined to take the money out when you get it is, in the end, usually the best way to go. So it was pretty good. We ended up having a 101.41% month. So it was a very good month. The average trade of July was ranging from about 19%. We had 3 20+% trades. and two 15+% trades. Absolutely great month. August was a slower month because we were going into a slow time. We only had three trades: Avalanche, Solana, and Link. Three trades that we closed all equaled out to be 46.43% total for the month. So, not bad, but definitely just not a lot of action, but that's part of the game. You have to be patient. You have to kind of survive when the markets go into a bit of a hibernation. And then September, like I said, nothing. There was literally nothing. We were in plenty of trades, but we just didn't close anything out. And we actually did open up some positions in September as well. I do believe like we opened up another position in Solana. We opened up another position in Binance. Like, so we had some opportunity to enter trades. We just didn't have any opportunity to close out trades in September. But us being patient is okay, because it's gotten us to the point where now October and November, we're closing positions out now, and then the next quarterly report vid will go over that as well. So in total, pretty much between the 3 months, we've made in crypto for Q3 147.84%, off of off of only 8 trades, which is pretty nuts, right? So, and if you keep that in mind, it was only 8 trades and you made 147.84% cumulative total. So that's pretty impressive. And I would love more trades, but I'm very picky. I want the best probabilities on our side, and in the end, I believe it makes us money. And going back, you see the history. We don't really lose. The only time we've actually lost so far this year is Luna, right? And don't worry, we'll get more losses at some point, but as long as we're safe, it'll be okay. Because this Luna trade, we lost under 72%, but that was off of 5% position, so it wasn't that big a deal. It was really in total around 3.5 to almost a 4% loss. So that's not a big deal at all to the portfolio, and we've made that back plenty times over now. So make sure, if you're not in the swing trade service, to really think about, it's $15 a month. I do think it's a bargain, a really, really good bargain. It's cheaper than Netflix in some places now, and that's for both crypto and stocks. And then also, if you're in the Discord now during November, we're in the swing trade free trial service right now, so make sure you're taking advantage. Next is the stocks. Ooh, stocks. All right, stocks now, they've been doing great. All right, so starting off from July, absolutely incredible month in July. So Carvana was a killer. My gosh, we were in Mara, which pretty much follows Bitcoin 1-to-1. Absolute killer move in Mara. Nvidia had a great move, 15% plus. We had a great trade in Cloudflare, which is net right here, almost 18% move. And then I mean, an absolute killer in Carvana. We had two killer trades in Carvana. The first one being 18.39%, and then nearly the last trade of the month at a 25% gain. And that 25% gain, if I remember right, was literally like 2 trading days, because we like went into the weekend, and then I think it was like Monday or Tuesday, just gapped up, and boom, we just took a massive profit from there. It was great, absolutely fabulous. Then look, and we ended up closing out July 152.52% up. What an incredible month. I loved July. Then August, it was really just a continuation. Really, really nice August. We had bought UNG natural gas, so we took a bet against natural gas. We actually bought Warner Bros. I remember seeing the chart, really bottomed out, grabbed that as quickly as possible. And we had a really good trade on Square. Square had a nice reversal trade. PayPal was one of our longest trades of the year, got in at April 20th and finally was able to close out in August. It was a long trade, but hey, sometimes you have to be patient to end up closing up just under 20%. And then we had a couple other trades, some ticky-tack trades, Microsoft, Tesla, closing it out. We ended up closing out the month at 124.73% up. So absolutely great month. And then September, just like crypto, super, super slow, very, very dead. But we did have one big mover. So Apple, we had a nice short on that, and just took our 8.16% off of that. We opened that up around the same time we were getting into Microsoft shorts as well. And then Biogen. Oh my gosh, I mean, bought into Biogen a long time ago, February 15th. See, guys, if you ever wonder when I get into things, I make sure to log it all there. It's as I'm as transparent as I possibly can be. So all the information you want for closed trades is going to be here, and then I'll show you the tab for all the information about open current trades as well. But right now, I mean February 15th, and then it took all the way into September to close out, but we got it on this huge gap up after they had some really positive Alzheimer's news about treating it. So that went up just under 30%. So that was a great trade. And September ended up closing out 37.19% in profit. And the total for the quarter, we made 314.44%. Absolute killer quarter in stocks. I am very happy with how the stocks have performed. I know not everyone follows the stocks. I have a couple of members that follow only the stocks, and I have a few that follow both. But lately, stocks have been absolutely incredible, and I cannot be happy enough with how that's performed. Now, let's actually get into the open stock trades and the open crypto trades real quick. So I want to make sure, again, I've highlighted this before, but my gosh, guys, if you're in the Discord and you're in the service, make sure you're looking at these rooms here, open stock trades, open crypto trades. And if you're in the free trial service, please make sure you're looking at these pages, because I've gotten questions asking like, what am I in, where am I at? It's all here, and I keep these up to date like immediately after I open a position or close a position. You need to check these rooms. So these are all the stock positions I'm currently open. You can see if I'm long or short them. You can see when I got in them. You can see my current average price. Okay, so not the original price I got in, but the current average price after the add-ons and such. And then my current portfolio risk, so how much I have of my portfolio exposed. Like Meta right now, we have 16% of the account exposed, and then for IBB it's only 2%, and then 1% all down here. And the oldest trades will always be on the top to the newest to the bottom. Okay, so make sure to reference that. It's the same thing for crypto, same thing. You can see what I'm in, whether I'm long or short, when I got in it, the current average price, and how much of my account I have exposed, and then my total account exposure I have added up there. I keep this current and up to date regularly, so please reference this if you have any questions. All right. And I think that's all I want to go over today. Obviously, open floor general is just the general topic room. So if you have anything to say it in here. And obviously we have lemon vids. So these are the vids that even after the free trial ends, I'll be posting. These are public videos. And then we have the membership exclusive videos. These will only be for members. But currently free members can see this now because we're in the free trial. And then also, I had just done this. I almost forgot to mention. I have just added the crypto and stocks highlight suggestions. So right now, the free members can see this room. You won't be able to once the free trial ends. But you can suggest any sort of asset, stock, crypto, even commodity. I didn't put that in there, that you want me to chart, and I'll do an exclusive video for it. The videos will be public. Right, so even after the free trial ends, those videos will be public to the general audience, but the suggestion part, you won't be able to suggest it unless you're a member of one of the services, whether that's a swing trade, the day trade, or the tutoring service. Okay, all right, that is it, everyone. That is all I have to say on the matter. If you have any questions about anything, please let me know. But again, before you ask me questions, just kind of explore the Discord. I promise you're going to come across some cool things. I have my tweets there, obviously the videos. I haven't been keeping up to date on the daily quotes. Sorry about that. This will be coming back, I promise. I just haven't been posting them. I still read a daily quote every morning. I just haven't posted them. So I will be posting these again. So make sure to check that out. And also I want to highlight this as well. I am a big fan of Mark Douglas. His approach to trading psychologically, I think, is extremely beneficial. So if you've never watched his lectures, this is my favorite lecture he's ever done. It's 4 parts. I think it's like an hour long each video, so it's a pretty big watch. But it's extremely good. It's definitely one of the ways I've become as not just as profitable as I am, but as calm and consistent as I've been over these years. I definitely cannot suggest this more. It's very, very good. All right, that's it, everyone. Make sure that you're having a great day. We're getting close to the weekend. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Just be safe out there. And definitely make sure to check out the services. Go to the Patreon link, the services links here, and check out the services if you're interested. Especially tutoring. I really want to tutor more people. I really really want to tutor more people. I don't mind giving out the call outs. I enjoy it. You're just following exactly what I'm doing. I'm never giving you a trade I'm not going in. But I want to teach more people because I don't know how long I'll be around, right? I don't know if I'll live tomorrow. I don't know how long I'll be doing Discord, but I'll feel great if I can teach people the way I trade because I know it works. I know it works. So please, 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 at least think about doing one session with me. And if you are wondering how the sessions go, I know I'm being long-winded here, guys. Just come back to Lemon Vids and look at this video here, okay? A free trading lesson for the Lemon Garden. It gives you a bit of an introduction. The first 15 minutes of this video, that's all you need to watch, is an introduction on how I approach lessons, sessions, and I'm telling you, I really think I can make you a better trader. So look into my tutoring services. You can pay just for one session, or if you want to pay for the month, check it out, okay? All right, everyone, take care. And remember, be patient, be vigilant, and be nimble. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.